If you can hear me, indicate. I want to know if you can hear me. Anybody available? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know so that I continue. Who is online? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. Can you hear me? Okay, so let me presume you can hear. So let's continue. DXY have completed the move to the upside, and we know the move from here, 5th January 2021 is corrective, and it unfolded as A, B, C. So it has ended. Now we are expecting a new low, and a new low will go below 89.17. As a matter of fact, a new we expect a 5 waves impulse towards 84 and 85 area. So this is our weekly chart. Here is our forecast that we will have a new. From here, we are going to get the price down to this level. Maybe next year it will complete, or this year, I don't know, but here is where we are heading. 84.4 is where we are heading. Okay, so we keep watching how it will unfold. For now, let's focus on daily and 4 hours. Daily and 4 hours, the bearish move has started. Okay, the 4-hour time frame and another time frame have started, but those who trade higher time frame should wait for close of this level. But for me, after I've started the selling, here is the first drop. Second drop is the selling. Now, for you to join, 2 things you have in mind. One is this: we will likely get A, B, C, then it will begin to sell, or it may be just a pullback, and the price begin to go down. So, but the bottom line is that if you are selling this, there will be a stop loss. Stop loss will be here. Here is ID stop loss. Okay. So that will be the stop loss. Then when the market breaks this level, you can now move your stop to this level. Because why will the stop loss be here? It's because we may have a flat that will still come up to this level, or even an expanding flat. Okay, let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, we, it always go the opposite of DXY. So as we are expecting 84.4 on DXY, we are also expecting 1.32 and above on Euro USD. So time will tell, but as far as I am concerned, the bearish move has continued because the move from between the move from, let me go back to daily, please. The move between here, that between the move from January 8th, or the same date anyway, January, let me check this candle. January 5 till this level, till October is correction. Okay, and you can see is a zigzag. Okay, so though we may get some delay, when price comes to this level, we will likely get some pullback or correction, some correction before it goes. So now, Euro USD is buying. I don't have any reason to say Euro USD. In my own view, the buying have started. Okay, all you need to do is to take your find your entry. Find your entry. Now this is zigzag, and it is a corrective move. Okay, can we have double zigzag? It's possible. In that case, the price will come down above this level. Okay, but for now, that's we are getting a zigzag, which is a corrective move. Okay, so anyway, let me if this move close above this level, we may not get double zigzag. But now let's watch this level. If we get a close today above this level, then forget double zigzag. So let's keep watching how it goes. You see, nobody is online. Okay. Okay, you know JPY. You know JPY. Let me go to daily. You can see it is a clear move up, and with the speed and the manner it is going, this is wave 3. Sure. So what do we have to do? We go to 4 hours, 2 hours, and 1 hour and look for entry. Once we get a zigzag and ABC, then we join the buyers. Okay. So once here is broken, then zigzag will be confirmed, and we will be able to sell with A and with C. I don't recommend selling with A or buying with B. Reason is that you may think that with A has started, then it will still go up once more. So, but when wave A happened, you will know. When wave B happened, you will know. The wave C is the easiest wave to say. And after studying wave C, you buy wave the next impulse wave. So let's keep watching how the pullback will happen or the correction will happen. You know, GBP will be going down for a while, and I think now instead of going down, I think now instead of going down, and the elements of operation. Once the price close above this level, I will look for buy entry. For now, I will be watching. Okay, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 moves impulse, and it is maybe a wave C. Or that's the end of this wave Y. Probably that's the end of this wave Y. Okay, so let's continue. You know AUD. You know AUD is at our reversal zone, and the candle I'm seeing here is a reversal candle. So the bullish move is almost confirmed. Okay, but you need to go to lower time frame to have a better entry. Okay, you can see 1 hour. We are having a kind of pullback. So I want to buy this. If I get my my entry ideal, I will buy from this low. That would be sweet if you can buy from the low. Okay, just imagine this. This channel is broken. So scalpers we have entered here. But I like to two things are considering. If I get zigzag from here, that is a move like this from here. I'll just buy because I know it will now break this. Give us this. Then give us this. So let's keep watching it. Or maybe just say you can wait for the break of this and buy this. But nothing to rush. No need to be in a hurry to buy because the buying will last for weeks at the even month. So no need to rush. So that if market wanted to make a new low, you won't cut unaware. Okay. New Zealand. Hope you guys can hear me. Please, if you don't hear me, chat me on the. If you can hear me, go to the chat and say yes. If not, so that I know what I'm doing.
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you see my? Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, I can see it.
Can you see my chat?
Yes, I can see your chat as well.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you.
Oh, that's good because the last one I do that was a mistake. I was talking to myself. I don't know. Okay, so I continue. New Zealand. I have explained. You know, Chef. You know, Chef. This daily chart seems to have completed the the Z wave. Okay. Anyway, I can see a reversal candle here. All this zone is a reversal zone. I can see a reversal candle here. So the buying have started. See, this is 5 waves correction. W, X, Y, X, Z. So the bears are no longer strong to continue to down. And on 4 hours, it confirmed the buying. And yet, come back again. But this can serve as, this is just wave 1 of the new cycle. Then, and we know in Elliott Wave theory, wave 2 can retrace as high or low as 99% of the wave 1. So as long as here remains intact, buying is recommended. But I will advise to wait. Let it come back above this level to buy. Because once the buy starts, it will last for weeks. So no need to be in a hurry to enter. Because you may be in a hurry to enter, the market will make a new low, and you lose that entry. So better to be conservative. Because you get an advantage to know when the market is changing trade or new cycle beginning. Okay, Euro card. Euro card, what do we expect? Euro card is also in a reversal zone. Let me see daily chart. Okay, daily chart is not yet. It's yet to hit our target. My target is for the market to come to this level, possibly come to this level and drop again. But when the buy confirms, to get from here to here, it's a very big money. And it's a daily chart. Besides, coming back here might not happen, because this is a corrective wave. Okay, but the reason I say immediate is this. This made is making 5 waves in corrective mode. You can see 1. This is wave 1. This is 2. I'm trying to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is A, B, C, 4. Then I have to make 5 waves again. But it can be just 1, 2, 3. This 4 might be short, maybe somewhere here. And this 5 can still end in this line. Whenever you see a channel, don't ignore it. So it is in extreme cases, you will see this type of correction. Move lower, brace the line, and go lower. I put this in case it happens. You don't be surprised why it is happening. But for now, I'm looking for a reason to buy for now. But on what time frame, like 4 hours. So on lower time frame, like 4 hours, it is in a reversal zone. Okay. So once it breaks this level, we know the momentum it is trying to buy or sell with. But then we will that will determine whether it's before with the shadow or it will be deep. So for now, let us watch how this level breaks. And I think I have something I want to again on this chart. Anyway, it's the same thing. Breaking of this one and breaking of this are always almost at the same place. So let's leave it for now. The ideal way to trade is that when you don't have a clear pattern showing you enough reason to trade by yourself, you go to other pages. There are many pages to trade. So not good to stick on one pair. Okay, so I don't do that. I check many. For instance, this very USD card, to me, the correction ended here. You can see the channel is broken, and this 5 waves is perfect 5 waves impulse. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's no doubt whether the buying have started. Now the work will be, when will you enter the buy? The good time to enter the buy. When is the best time to enter the buy? Then that takes us to lower time frame. Let's see 4 hours. On 4 hours, we can we can see the market is at our reversal zone. And this last candle is an impulsive candle. We will see it clearer on 1 hour. So let me go to 1 hour. So we see it in a clearer form. Let's go to 1 hour and see it. So you can see this candle is an impulsive candle. So if it breaks this channel in impulsive manner, then likely here will be broken. So to be conservative, let it break this. Wait, let me check this. So here remains the buy zone. When it breaks this and break this, then you can be sure that it is coming here next. So watch out, and this, let this be on your watching list. This is one of the best pay to trade now, because it is just clear. It is just clear. Okay, so let's continue the other page. Here's the JPY. Also at a reversal zone. You know why I'm showing you this? Once you get on time to know where the market is going, then your confusion will be less, because each cycle lasts for weeks. Corrective cycle lasts for months, but impulsive lasts weeks. So that when you buy, you don't be in a haste to close it. Okay, my USD buy is open for a long time now, so and I haven't closed it. So this one, once we get it broken, the bearish move is confirmed, and we know the bearish move is corrective for now, because this is 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we expect ABC, and we know the correction can be deep. For instance, it can be deep as this level. It can be deep as this level, 618 or even 88. But for now, let's focus on 618 for now. Okay. So when the the move reach this level, we expect it to come down to 111.2 or 0.3 price zone, which may be maybe from tomorrow or from today. When your session opens, we may see this break, and if it happens throughout next week, we'll be selling. Okay, so on 1 hour, you see already we are getting waves. On 1 hour already, you can see how perfect the 5 wave is. 1, 2. We have three made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves. ABC. The 5 made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a perfect setup. There's no doubt whether the 5 waves have ended or not. Okay. So I don't expect any other move up. So once here, then selling have started. Stop loss will be here. But when we get a big move down, maybe when the market closes below this level, we now move the stop loss lower. So this also will be a good trade because there's no ambiguity on it. There's no ambiguity. Only we need to wait for it to give us a break of this level to confirm the selling. Okay, so we move. SDHF. SDHF has been selling for a long time. So I have no problem with SDHF. Okay. So as it is, here is the ultimate target. Okay. I sold this, close it, sold this, close it, sold this, close it this morning. Because I think we will get ABC. If you don't get ABC, then once here breaks, I will sell again. So 1 hour, 1 hour, I'm looking for that we will get ABC. Just do it. It happened here. We may get ABC, and wave A has happened. Wave B is what is likely happening now. Then wave C will happen after that. If I get the ABC, I'll just sell from wave C and target the low. But if not, I will just sell once here is broken. I will sell once here is broken. So that's simple thing on this. We now have about three trades waiting for us to take. Okay, hope you know. USD chef, USD JPY, USD card, and I think of them keep recording it because we never trades. If they don't start this week, they definitely next week they will. New Zealand. Let me check daily and 1 hour and 4 hours first. USD, New Zealand USD. The pay is going up. You can see 74.27, 74.56. This is where our target is. You see, that I told something while I was analyzing DSY and the Euro USD. That never you ignore a channel. You see, it turned at this very channel and keep going up. Now it broke the upper channel. So now the buying on daily time frame is confirmed. But then market doesn't go straight line. So we always have lower low, higher high, higher low, lower high. So it all happens. Now let me tell you something again. This, let me hide this one. Wait, just give me some minutes. Let me do something. Okay, so on 4 hours, we have a harmonic pattern, which completes here. But in my opinion, this is let me. This is 1, 2, 3. So we have A, B, C, which will be 4. Then 5. We break this. So my take on this is that don't sell New Zealand USD because I never advise selling Wave 5. Sorry, selling Wave 4. I can sell. I can buy Wave 5, but I can't sell Wave 4. So in accordance with the Elliott Wave pattern, this is Wave 3, and Wave 4. Wave 4 is always. Though sometimes they don't work like that. Wave 4 is always between that 8.2 to 50%. That's where we always get Wave 4. So let's assume before we reverse at this level. So let's say before we come to this level and reverse, it may unfold in any pattern, zigzag, triangle, or whatever. So let's watch here for photo, then Wave 5. And ultimately, Wave 5, after this, we may get another correction because of the daily time frame is also bullish. So keep your eyes on this one. Hey, look at that. No. AUD card. I don't trade this pair always. Maybe once in a while I trade it, but it's going up. It's going up. Though I'm not trading it, but from that I see, it's going up, and you can see this. This is Wave 1. This is A, B, C. Wave 2. Wave 3 is developing. So you can see this move continues to go up. We may not get even a zigzag. It just be a pullback, and it will continue to go up. So if I trading it, look for your entry. Okay, let's go to other place. I didn't prepare it for the analysis. Let us Elliott USD is one of the pairs that always make pair. Elliott USD. What do we expect here? We expect okay, it turned back at the reversal zone, but I see this move as a complete cycle. So this reversal is just to respect a symmetry. In my opinion, it's better to look for buy at top and buy. Hmm? You have to look for buy, set up, and buy, which means that's to say, look for corrective move, look for a correction, and enter your buy. So I recommend selling on this pair. Unless you know how to trade with C, because to me this is 1, 2, 3. That's like the last pair we analyzed. NZD USD. This is 5 waves. 1, 2, oh, 3. 4 may give us something like this. A, B, C. 4. So 5. So maybe before we end at this broken trend line. So watch out for. I prefer to buy with 5 than selling with 4. So it's up to you to decide how to trade and what we trade. So this wave 1 is quite sharp. I mean this wave A is quite sharp. So it may be deep. Whenever wave A is sharp, we always get a zigzag. So you may get a zigzag. Since wave A is sharp. So watch out. Let's watch out for this. Okay, so okay. Gold, gold and silver are doing something. Anyway, not something strange, because it happens from time to time. They always go together, but sometimes they may behave as if they disagree. This week, silver is trying to buy, gold is doing something different. But in my opinion, I will sell gold if it gets to this level and reverts. But it haven't gotten to this level. My reason is this: if it reverts here, it means we are getting A, B, C. Then from here, I will buy again. But it may not get to this level. If silver continues to go up, silver has broken the current high and going up. So if silver continues to go up, we will end up getting what we call a contracting flat, something like this. This type of shape. You may get something like this. So, which means the wave C will just end here. Then it will go up. It will become a contracting flat, or it may even give us A, B, C, D, E, and go up. We know A, B, C, D, E triangle. It may end up giving us A, B, C, D, E, and price will go up. So watch out for these two scenarios. End of it can play out. So, but for now, let's keep watching what happens here. In fact, if this price doesn't come to this level and begin to come down, then it means that price will likely play out. So let us see silver. You can see this is the former high. Silver just keep going up, and the gold is not. So it means silver is leading the move now. Sometimes gold will lead, silver will follow. But this time around, silver is leading and gold will be following. So uh, in my opinion, this is wave one, ABC wave two, then three is developing, and then the three will likely take away this last week high. This is last week high, so the three will take it off and continue going up. So there's nothing much to say on silver. If you didn't enter buy from here or from here, I would advise you to wait. Don't go trade finish. Then you decide what to do. Let me show you levels we expect on wave 3. Wave 3 can end at 200. It can end at 261. So wave 3 can come to this level or this level. We keep watching to know how it develops. Okay. Once JPY, this might be the last pair we will analyze. Once JPY have completed the third wave, so here is the third wave. The third wave. The wave 4 is what we expect. How deep will it go? I don't know, but let us gaze. Let us gaze. I think I did this offhand, but it seems my gaze will be right. So report is expected to come to between 38 to 50%. So we keep watching to know how it goes on this pair. Then if you want to take correction, after I say always, allow wave A to finish, trade wave B. And this is first part of wave A. Second of it, a break of it will confirm wave A. Once here is broken, whatever is happening, we keep watching. When it goes up, it becomes wave 2. Then wave C will drop to this level, and the buying will continue. Okay, let me. I think I have a connected pattern on pounds JPY. Let me check it. Don't know. Oh, I thought that I had a connected pattern on this. Let me check. Maybe I have removed it. Not JPY. I think I have a harmonic pattern. Okay, no. Yeah, I remember. We also have a harmonic pattern which have also ended. So, watch out for report to complete. Even before we likely go deeper than we are I put it. Maybe somewhere here. So keep watching how it unfolds. Keep watching how it unfolds. For now, let's pounds USD is our next pair to check. Pounds USD. Pounds USD is going up. WXY. But the possibility that this can still cut to this level. But now I haven't seen it happening. This is why it might have ended here. Okay. Now, what will make us what the conviction that it has ended? If the bridge move continues, let me show you the fourth wave, the 4-hour chart. So the reason I say it must have ended that the on 4-hour chart, it is reversed at a reversal zone. So it is always important to check all the time frames. It is reversed at a reversal zone and have gone so far, very far. Here is another reversal zone. I will explain this why it is here, but not here. That's for my students. This is open for everybody today. Or maybe I'll be doing this free webinar maybe once a week. So when we do private lesson for the students, they ask me why I did this. Then let me tell you, selling this is not advisable. Because why? You may just get a flat and keep going up. So for that, as long as you watch my analysis, I'll save you from making some mistakes. From here, it may still come down, but for now, nothing shows it will. So let's just keep calm, wait for buy, or check other page. Pounds check. Pounds check is a sell market. Pounds USD, not a sell market. There are reasons, but not to explain here. So this can sell at least to this level, but I see it's coming to this level. It's coming as this level, but for now, nothing to confirm it will happen. So it is still under probability. For now, it is under probability. So for the break of this channel, we open door for either this level or this level. Then if this will happen, I will know. But now I haven't seen what will make me to believe it will happen. Okay, so okay, next is we have spent almost 1 hour, so we still round off. pounds card. Pounds card is a buy market. There are two options. Of course, there are two options here. Let me do the chart. The options are that we will have wave 5, which will become deeper. But that wave 5, I don't see it happening now. Maybe this wave 4 will see come deeper. So now, if the market comes to this faster level, then watch out for sell setup to sell wave 5. But if it keeps going up and break this level in an impulsive manner, then you know that it will be that wave 5 will no longer happen. So bear that in mind. Okay, so that's for pounds cards. The next is pounds New Zealand. Pounds New Zealand have been selling. And selling. And the selling is not yet over. So that's one thing. The selling is not yet over. The lowest place we expect the selling to come is at 1.8905, 1.88, 1.87, 1.867. So why am I saying this? Watch out. You can see forward. Let me remove all this. So once we get correction from here, look for another sell. The selling will continue until it comes to this level. I don't know what to say again on that. Maybe I'll show you 1 hour. So this is what we have now. Maybe we may get something like this. This can be A, B, C, and the market will continue going down. Or the ABC might be this one. This may be the A. Sorry, the C. Then this is the B. So whichever one, the market will still go down. So early to this level, we open door for another selling. In fact, to cut the long story short, I don't see reason to buy pounds New Zealand now. I can only see reason to sell it. So let me cut the long story short. Pounds ZAR, let me leave it alone. And let me open it. Because people like to trade it. Yes, these are pounds ZAR. They can give you money, but they can behave funny many times. So that's why sometimes I can't avoid it. since there are many trades to take in the market. Anyone that is controversial or doesn't respect wave count, I try to avoid it and take the one that brings results. So it's came to a zone and the bounce stop. So my advice is this: since it has come to the better zone and it has reversed, this is my advice. A bouncer for those who like to trade it. This move is almost impulsive. Number one, you may decide to wait for the break of this level before you look for buy, or you go down to 15 minutes and look for ABC. If you get ABC, ABC, if you get this kind of structure, you buy maybe to a new high. I don't know. So, but if you don't know what to do here, wait for it to break this or break this on higher time frame. Wait for the break of this level. Then you enter your buy. Stop loss will be this low. Once AUD, once AUD have confirmed a buy. So buying this will make sense. It has confirmed the buy. It has left the reversal zone, broken, confirmed the sell, the buying level, made a pullback. I think buying it makes sense, but stop loss will be at the low in case if market want to go lower. So you may have this, this type of move, and buying continue. So watch out to know what to do. This is 15 minutes. The reason I show you this is because we have got a reversal zone. If not, I'll go to 15 minutes. So buying anywhere from here is good because it's get to a reversal zone and have reversed. Let me check 4 hours. Let me check 4 hours. Of course, it's a bit to the reversal zone. Buying now, stop loss at this low. That's my recommendation, and that's how when I end this very update, I will just buy it. Okay, I think we have spent 1 hour on this. I will accept one question if there's any. Any question?
Sir, please, can you show us a GBP segment? GBP segment. Please, can you show us a GBP
Show you what?
segment?
Past chef. GBCF CHF.
Yeah, sir.
Hello. I think
GBP.
I have done that.
Yeah, please.
This
GBP
one,
segment.
this one. I have covered it now. I said that that the pay reversed have left the reversal zone. Here would have been the best entry. Here would have been the best entry. But because you didn't enter here, wait for it to break this channel or let it break. Let it break this. Let it break this low or this channel. Then selling will be here will be the target, first target. But it can go lower because of daily time frame is showing us. Let me go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is showing us a channel, and the channel can see content to this level. But you know, daily time frame takes time to develop. Is when you are planning a trade of weeks and months, you go to daily. But if you are planning for the week, you go to 4 hours and 1 hour. So if it goes this, it may come down to this level. But first target, let it be this low. At least target this low first. When the channel is broken. So there's secondly, as long as this upper channel wasn't broken, you see, it's get to this level, come back, it's coming again, and it's coming down. So we will likely come to this level. Okay. So, but for now, focus on 4 hours and 1 hour to see how you can trade it. Because now, whatever you are doing, that will be your stop loss. And I think it is far. But if it breaks this level, you sell, stop loss will be here. Then if it continues to sell, then you you're stop to break even. They answer you well.
Thank you, sir.
Any question again? Okay. Any other person? Okay, we end. Maybe next week we find a day to do it again. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.
All right.